My name is Rex, and I'm a dog Niger. I never really fit in because of it. In fact, I've never even had any friends. I was created when a drunk old man forced himself on a stray female dog. The bitch died giving birth to me. Because my father had to live my life as a freak rejected by society. So one day I'll find that man, rape him. Also, today, walking out from the barber shop. Thanks to the cut, Ron. Nigel was following me. Who is this Nigel? I must admit, his moves are pretty fast. Well, this might get interesting.
You must be Rex, right?
Yeah, I am. Who the hell are you? Ah, I one, huh? Let's get this out of the way. You're here to kill me, right?
Prepare to die. You filthy creature!
Whoops. I didn't even hear his name.
You fucking. Anyways, my name is Dio. Anyway, fuck, I fucked it up. Sure, I have to. Anyways, my name is Neo, and I was sent by your father to kill you.
Father? And let's go right now. And nobody stop me from raping my dad.